Rahim. You know, we are very happy to be celebrating the Glaucoma Day in the next week. I think it's quite nice so that we can all share our understanding with our patients and also with our colleagues that what are the gaps in the way we are currently managing glaucoma. You know, glaucoma is one of the second most common cause of blindness globally. In Pakistan, we are in a very difficult state because 2-3 things are happening on which we have to which we have not really given enough attention. One is our population is growing very fast, very, very fast. The second reason, apart from population growth and aging, is that our services in health are not really distributed according to the needs of the people. We have centers of excellence in certain parts of the country, but then certain parts of the country are really very deprived. Now, the question is, how do we do it? We will have to convert glaucoma, we the doctors community, will have to convert glaucoma into a priority disease. We will have to have the exact number of people suffering from glaucoma. We will have to have very strong advocacy with the government that this is a blinding disease and it will adversely affect your economy and the quality of life of people. So therefore we must invest in a kind of health which will be integrated. Glaucoma will be part of that integrated care, but we need glaucoma specialists in every district, and we need people who will assist these doctors in the districts, detect glaucoma very early, refer it to this center, and therefore detect it early, and then make sure they get the treatment. And then we also will make a timely decision on when to intervene and do surgery for these patients. If we do this, then I think we have a bright future. If we